This, it's 4:30 on a Friday. Your marketing team needs budget approval. Your HR department is waiting on legal review for a new policy. And your finance team needs updated headcount projections. And your exec team, they're just trying to put this all together into one coherent strategy. Everyone's waiting. Everyone's sending just checking in emails. Everyone's just trying to get the job done and go home for the weekend. This is the tax of modern work. The coordination overhead, the time lost in work about work, searching for info, chasing approvals, filtering between data sources. What if we could give you that time back?
And that's exactly what we built in this hackathon, AgentCorp. AgentCorp is more than just a system of AI agents talking to each other. It's a nervous system for your entire organization. It's basically agents who have specialized information about your business itself, about the troubles that you're facing, about how you can get out of those troubles, about marketing strategies, everything that you need all in one. You can have real-time, face-to-face conversations with our agent without having to go through a chatbot, and have real-time, complex workflows done by them, while keeping you guys, the humans, in control. And here's how it works. We've made 5 main agents as part of this hackathon who all can talk to each other. Firstly, there's Mia, the HR agent, which can look through your entire organizational database, help you select the employees who are the most relevant for leading a project or starting a new project, and even looks through people applying to your company to help you find out what is the best applicant to hire. Next, we have the marketing agent, which can help you manage campaigns, come up with new campaigns, and help you really get the word out there about your organization, and even helps you go and post on X. Next, we have Evelyn, the executive agent, which can look through your calendar, and be able to go through your mail, schedule meetings for your behalf, delete calendar events, accept calendar events, and all of that. Then we have the financial analyst agent, which can process expenses, forecast budgets, and even does competitor analysis to get a better understanding of what all is in the market. Next, we have Liv, the legal agent, which can provide legal and compliance information about your business. This is especially important for startups who might not have a legal department and only have a technical team, and might fall into legal troubles from time to time. But now, having this entire ecosystem of agents that all talk to each other, that all share a context, this will really give a huge boost to any startup without having to spend extra capital on hiring new employees.
Let's say you want to launch a new project. You tell Anne, the marketing agent, in 9. She drafts a campaign brief and requests a budget from Finn, the financial analyst. He analyzes spending from a previous quarter, identifies budget available, then the human manager signs off the recommendation, 50k of forecasted ROI requirements. Now we need the human design to work on it. So Anne tells Mia, the HR agent, who checks team schedules and identifies a designer of free time next week. So she assigns her a slot next week to create the campaign. Liv, the legal agent, notes that the business needs 3 department sign-off, so she mentions each of the 3 departments' leads in the email, who sign off. Now, agents can coordinate review cycles in parallel, cutting the time from approval from 2 weeks to mere hours.
So how exactly have we done this? What are the technical parts of this? Well, firstly, we have a shared context layer, which basically allows the agents to talk to each other, and whatever context they gain from each conversation, which is shared amongst other agents as well. So that if you transition from talking to Mia, for example, and then go on to talking to Liv, the legal agent, you won't lose the entire context of your organization. Next, you have agent-to-agent protocols. So instead of having each agent be modular, you have them be connected. We did this through using LangChain and basically allowed the application to have a much more seamless feel where agents can actually talk to each other. Finally, we have human-in-the-loop orchestration. So when we're using Anam to talk to the agents, it never does anything without the user's recommendation. We obviously give access to all the tools such as the calendar, the X account, and the mail, but it never does any of the actions it can take without getting prior human approval. So it basically speeds up your entire workflow process, helps you come up with better ideas, while still allowing the human to remain in the center of the entire organization.
Like Ali said, AgentCorp doesn't eliminate jobs, it eliminates the frustrating parts of jobs. The waiting, the searching, the misalignment, the friction. Humans still keep the final control. And now you're optimizing in the fun stuff at work, the creativity, the strategy, relationships, the impact. We're not building better tools, we're building better teams. Teams where AI handles what AI does best. The coordination, execution, the optimization. Where teams move at the speed of thought, not the speed of email. This is AgentCorp. This is the future of work.